Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another unboxing video. So I decided to purchase an overhead camera stand for my camera in case I needed to film maybe an unboxing for a phone or unboxing for a new laptop. So I thought an overhead stand would be a good idea to kind of invest in those kind of videos. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this unboxing. So this is the box. So this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is the overhead. This is the overhead stand itself. Kind of stretches in and out, and it has a setter here to set it how wide you want it or how curved you want it. So I like that. It also comes with a camera, a phone holder, like in case you want to use your phone to film. So this will be an option that you may have if you want to use it. It also comes with a connecting rod. Now the job of this rod is to connect here. Let me just tighten this. So the rod, the connecting rod, connects here, and this is where you're going to attach your camera, or you're going to attach your phone holder, which we can do right here. And once that's connected, then the last part is the clamp. Now this is what is going to clamp onto your table or an object that you're going to clamp or mount your camera stand on. So now we're going to connect the clamp onto the stand itself, and all you need to do is put the stand into that little opening in the clamp. And so you just put it in, slide it in, and then we have a little adjuster here. Now all you need is turn it clockwise until it's tight enough, and then you can be able to set the overhead stand on any object. So I'm going to do that, and now we're going to start turning the adjuster clockwise so we can tighten this stand and clamp together. And so it can move in different directions. It can go up, it can go down. So there you have it. This is your overhead stand. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. That is all I had for you. This was just a short video to unbox and see how an overhead stand looks like and how to assemble it. Until next time, it is goodbye and God bless.